Snow removal doesn't have to feel like a chore you dread. Sometimes, the right tool simply changes the experience. Quieter, easier, and more controlled from the first pass to the last. Welcome back to Buy with Confidence. Today, we're reviewing the Westinghouse Wsnow18 48v Cordless Snowblower, an 18-inch battery-powered snowblower designed for homeowners who want freedom from cords, gas, and heavy equipment. This model is built for driveways, sidewalks, porches, and walkways where convenience, control, and reliability matter most. If you're looking for capable winter performance without the hassle of fuel or extension cords, this product is squarely in your lane. You'll find the link in the description and pinned comment. This is a cordless electric snow blower powered by a 1,200-watt brushless motor paired with dual 24-volt lithium-ion batteries. It features a steel auger, LED lighting, an adjustable chute, and the ability to move up to 650 pounds of snow per minute. Trusted by thousands of 5-star reviewers, it's positioned as a practical, modern solution for everyday winter clearing. Reason number 1. Cordless freedom fundamentally changes how snow removal feels. Without cords or gas, the Wsnow18 lets you move naturally across your space, especially around tight walkways and driveways. There's no planning around outlets or fuel. You simply insert the batteries, press the button, and start clearing. Reason number 2. The 1,200 watts brushless motor delivers steady, efficient power while requiring less maintenance over time. Brushless technology runs cooler, lasts longer, and maximizes battery efficiency. In practical terms, that means consistent performance pass after pass, without the mechanical wear common in brushed motors. Reason number 3. The snow clearing capability is well matched to residential needs. With an 18-inch clearing width and the ability to move 650 pounds of snow per minute, this blower handles moderate snowfall confidently. It clears up to 10 inches deep per pass, making it effective for overnight accumulation without feeling oversized or unwieldy. Reason number 4. The steel auger with rubber-tipped edges strikes an important balance. It's strong enough to break through packed snow, yet gentle enough to protect surfaces like decks and walkways. This thoughtful design reduces the risk of damage while still delivering dependable clearing power. Reason number 5. Battery performance is practical and transparent. The included two 24v 4Ah batteries provide approximately 15 minutes of runtime in 7-inch snow, and the dual-port fast charger brings them back to full charge in about 1.8 hours. Compatibility with Wsnow18 24v batteries also adds flexibility for existing users. Reason number 6. Visibility and control are clearly prioritized. The built-in LED light improves safety during early mornings or evening snowfall, while the 180-degree adjustable chute allows precise snow placement up to 25 feet away. These features make the clearing process calmer and more predictable. Reason number 7. Ownership confidence rounds out the experience. Each unit is factory tested and backed by a 2-year limited warranty with lifetime technical support through Westinghouse's nationwide service network. Combined with being trusted by thousands of 5-star reviewers, it offers reassurance beyond the first winter. Final verdict. The Westinghouse Wsnow18 isn't intended for deep rural drifts or commercial-scale clearing, and it doesn't pretend to be. What it offers is balanced, dependable performance for homeowners who value simplicity, mobility, and clean electric power. For small to medium residential spaces, it stands out as a well-engineered cordless option that respects both your time and effort. That's the breakdown. Take a moment. Does this feel like a win for you? If it does, go ahead and buy with confidence, knowing you're making the right choice.